So as you can see, I'm back in the workshop. It's almost July. In fact, it's July tomorrow. So as you can see, I'm in the shed and I've got my fleece jacket on because it's cold, and you can probably hear it's raining as well. So normal balmy English summer. A great job for a balmy English summer day is definitely to fill the body of the guitar. Just going to wipe it over with some grain filler, a little bit of mahogany grain filler. Just rub it in with a cloth. Just get it into the grain. I'm not going to go mad because this guitar has actually been finished before, so it's grain filled pretty much. But I'm just going to do it again for safety. As you put the grain filler in, you can actually see any scratches that you've left in the body. Any particularly orbital sanders, which everybody thinks are, magic, which they are, brilliant, but they do tend to leave behind little random squiggly lines in the surface of the wood. So when you actually put the grain filler in, of course it fills all these up and you can see them. Grey primer is going on top of this, which will cover everything, and 2 coats will cover anything. So this is for confidence. I have to say, I do like the colour this is going. Well, I think that's pretty much covered it. I'm not going to do any more. I can't do any more now. That's just all covered and sticky, and it's wet and smelly, and I can't do anything with that until tomorrow. So I just wanted to get that underway, just to prove that I was back. And so tomorrow when I come in, I can start going on this proper and getting on with finishing this guitar, which I'm really looking forward to doing, and I hope you can join me. See you in a bit. Keep building.